Hey, Sydney.
I kind of have to hurry because I have things on the stove. But oh my god, I just got my Diamonds and Dance Floors vinyl by Ava Max, obviously. And if you didn't know, my intro, the Hey Sydney, that's Ava Max. Now how do I open this? Oof. Oh wait, there's tape down here. Good, I don't have to cut through cardboard with crappy scissors. Okay, ready? Diamonds and Dance Floors, that's all I want. Oh my god, and they have the hype stickers. I will definitely be keeping the hype stickers. Diamonds and Dance Floors. And then I got the Ruby edition, obviously, because I don't like any of the other ones. I like the red to match with the red hair and the red lip. Obviously, I like the red. The red. I will show you the vinyl actually opened later. Because like I said, I have pancakes on the stove and I don't want them to burn. So I will be back to you later. The pancakes are taking a while to cook, so we're opening her. Like I said, I'm keeping the hype stickers because why wouldn't I? It says limited edition and it has a cool Ava Max sticker with a diamond. It says Ava Max with a diamond. My Diamonds and Dance Floors, girly. Yes. Open. Yes, queen. Plastic everywhere. Ooh, don't drop. Okay, well, we can't do it that way, girl. Go. There we go. There we go. And my hype stickers are still intact. Alrighty, here's the album unboxed. You know how to do a thumbnail. Yeesh. There's the inside. I am a sucker for checker print. Like this. Checker and gingham. Those are my two babies. Tell me this isn't Diamonds and Dance Floors. Like, especially with this different cover art. That's Diamonds and Dance Floors. But if they made a blue pressing with the original cover, yeah, I'd have that one. But they have this one with the red. Obsessed. I can't wait to put this in a sleeve. Actually, I don't have a single LP sleeve right now. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll put it in my... Do I put it in my gatefold one and wait for my spoilers for one of my next videos? I have a custom vinyl coming in and I'm going to be making a trifold vinyl with my customs. I know. Epic. And those come with outer sleeves. So maybe I'll just hold on to this and wait for the outer sleeve to come for that. Because it did say it was shipped. I think I'll wait. And I will have to put this somewhere safe. Anywho, that is it for now. Bye! Alright, here is my copy of Diamonds and Dance Floors, all sealed up in a gatefold outer sleeve. I actually had to take the hype stickers, those two, and put them on sticker paper because they would not come off of the plastic, so all of the sticky part ripped off basically. The glare, you can't see her face. But anywho, that was good to experiment. So if your hype stickers ever like rip off and you can't have the sticky part on the back, just get sticker paper and like Elmer's glue. That's what I used. And you can stick the back of the hype sticker with glue and put it onto the sticker paper, and then stick the sticker paper onto the vinyl outer sleeve. She's a miracle. She's a miracle. Thanks for watching. Check out another video or see what I posted on my other channels. Link in the description. Bye!